Hi everybody, welcome back to Avalon Bytes at Avalon School London. I'm Zane. Today we're going to learn a sentence which is very useful in a classroom situation where you're not sure of something and you want to ask your teacher a question. Many of our students from European countries or Latin America say this: "Teacher, I have a doubt." That's wrong. The correct sentence is, "Teacher, I have a question." Now, let's first look at this word here. Students say question, or Korean students, for example, say question. The correct pronunciation is question, question. Okay, an accent on the first syllable. Question, question. And then in the sentence, I have a question. And when we say it quickly, I have a question. So you can say, "Teacher, I have a question." Teacher, I have a question. Okay, so questions and comments below. Click the subscribe button and see you next time.